Welcome. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to find out which accounts have followed you on the Instagram app for PC, especially after the new update. Whether you're a longtime user or just getting started, this quick guide will make it easy for you to track your new followers right from your computer. Let's begin by opening the Instagram app on your PC. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily download it from the Microsoft Store and sign in with your username and password. Once you're inside, take a look at the layout. It's very similar to what you're used to on your smartphone. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo displayed there. Go ahead and click on your profile photo. Instantly, your personal Instagram profile page will appear, showing your posts, your bio, and a few key stats about your account. From here, you'll notice several options near the top of your profile, including the number of posts, followers, and following. What you want to do is find and click on the Followers option. This feature has been redesigned in the latest update to make it even more user-friendly. When you click on Followers, a list will pop up showing exactly who is following your account. You can scroll through this list to see all the accounts that follow you. Each profile in the list is clickable, so you can explore their pages, check out your mutuals, or even follow them back right from this section. If you're trying to keep track of new followers, pay extra attention to the top of this list, as the most recent followers always appear first. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks in the updated Instagram PC app, you can easily find out who's following you. Remember to check in regularly to stay up to date with your growing community. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on mastering social media.